So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use photographic styles on iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro series. So photographic styles is a new feature on iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro series. Basically, this feature adds filters to the photos you click using the camera app on your iPhone. You can use photographic styles directly from the camera app. Let me show you how. So first of all, open the camera app on your iPhone. Now, tap on this icon on the top right corner. Now this will open photographic styles. Swipe right or left to change it. For example, by default, it is on standard. Now vibrant, natural, luminous, dramatic, quiet, cozy, etc. You can adjust the tone and the color of the photographic style from here, like this. If you want to reset a photographic style, then tap on this icon. To click a photo, first select a photographic style. For example, vibrant. And then tap on this icon. And this will click the photo in that style. So this is the photo that I clicked. And as you can see here, the style is vibrant. So this is how you can use photographic styles on iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro series. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.